Are we live? Are we live? Are we here? Are we here? Maybe, potentially. Are we live? Let's see. It looks like we are. Oh, there we go. There we go. Welcome back to the O Show. Everything crypto, every single day. I'm WendyO. I talk all this stuff. Sorry. Still getting a little bit accustomed to the whatchamacallit, using Restream, because I'm trying to stream on Rumble and YouTube at the same time. It gets a little bit complicated. So we're still learning here. I actually have somebody coming over later today to kind of help me with this, which I'm super, super excited about because I need all the help I can get. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and talk about some pretty big news that broke last week. I had it on the docket to tell you guys. I just was not able to do it because I was going to make a dedicated video, but it just ended up not working out. We're also going to be doing over, what are we going over? We are going to be going over Bitcoin market update, and we're going to be talking about some meme coin requests, maybe a couple here and there. But really, this news is actually incredibly important, and we kind of skipped over it. We kind of missed it. And last week, there were so many crazy things happening. So many crazy things happening. With the alleged crypto companies get special tax privileges in the United States of America, all the executive orders, the Bitcoin strategic reserve, the digital asset stockpile, you name it. It is just going absolutely crazy. So we're going to go ahead and talk about all of that stuff, and we're going to kind of see, what is going on, because there's a lot of stuff. There's really a lot of stuff. And again, as far as that's being said, I'm just excited. I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to chat with you guys. And let's go ahead and get the ball rolling. So first and foremost, let's go into David Sacks. If you don't know who David Sacks is, he is an incredibly important person. And also to make sure you guys smash the like and share this. That immensely helps me, and it supports the channel. And we just love to see it. We love to see it. We love to see it. So that being said, let's go ahead and play this clip from David Sacks talking about what he thinks about NFTs and the whole entire ecosystem with NFTs and meme coins. And this is actually incredibly important because we want to make sure that we are getting all of the same privileges and whatnot that everybody else is getting. So let's go ahead and take a look, and we will see. So far on YouTube, we've got 200 people. I know the stream is a little bit of a mess today, a little bit of a mess, but we're going to get through it. We are going to get through it and see what's going on. And again, I apologize. It's like a hot mess this morning. But anyways, let's go ahead and do it. All right. Let's see. So this is going to be the clip from Mr. David Sacks. He is the Trump's crypto AI and crypto czar. So let's go ahead and play this clip over here. Go and start over here.
Is crypto an asset or a currency then?
Well, when you're talking about digital assets, it can be multiple things. I mean, you've got digital assets that are securities, you've got digital assets that are commodities, you've got digital assets that are collectibles like NFTs or meme coins. So, you're talking about a whole vast area of innovation. And so digital assets can be a number of different things. And that's why you need a clear regulatory framework that says, which areas are which. What are the definitions? And that's what founders need. Founders just need clarity around those definitions. They need to know what the rules of the road are so that they can abide by those rules and be confident that if they succeed in the United States, they're not going to get arbitrarily prosecuted.
So
So in this clip here, he basically is calling for classification of meme coins of different cryptos. He is indicating that there are some potential cryptos that could be securities. There are some cryptos that are pure utility projects, all of that. And again, one of the things that, one of the problems that we're seeing and that we've saw for so many years is we've had no guidance. We've really had no guidance from the public servants. We've had no guidance from really anyone in government, and all they've been doing is just suing good actors. And when I say good actors, I mean people that haven't committed fraud. You can say whatever you want about different crypto projects, say X, Y, and Z, make all these different claims. But realistically, at the end of the day, we don't have any type of clarity. And it's just not unfortunate that that's happening. Really, really, really unfortunate that that's happening, because we want to be able to make sure that people's voices are heard. We want to be able to make sure that people are able to build and not scared. And I do actually understand. And this idea that meme coins could be collectibles, this makes sense. Because some people like to buy meme coin just to be part of the culture. Like we have meme coins that represent Pepe. The whole D-Gods thing, like they have their coin now. Is it a meme coin? I don't necessarily know if it's a meme coin or whatever it is. I don't follow the community too much. I just got my Ute. But people owning one D-God, that could be a collectible to them. Owning a coin of, I don't know, a poo, anything like that, even Squid Grow, it could definitely be like a collectible to them. The same with NFTs. And the interesting thing about NFTs are a token, essentially an individual token that lives on the blockchain that could represent a tangible or intangible thing. So I think that is definitely important to kind of note and to discuss. So I agree that he's right. I think that there's going to be different classification for things. And at the end of the day, that's what we need. That's what we want. That's what we need. And I'm more than happy to continue to watch this administration grow. It's good. I love it. So I want to get your guys' thoughts in the comments, both from my TikTok babes and my YouTube babes. We're not on Rumble this morning. I couldn't get out to work. But let's go ahead and get into some of the market updates, because that's equally as important. Because a lot of people seem a little bit depressed and stressed that stuff isn't going on the way that they want it to. And that's okay. You could be mad and upset about it. But at the end of the day, guys, it takes a while. Also, we have to give a shout out to all the channel members. If you want to become a channel member, then I highly recommend you do so. It is about like $3 or $4. And what that means is that you get special shout outs and you support me in the channel. So we have to give a special shout out to Miss Julie, to Antonio, and that's Mr. R is here, and that's amazing. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Now let's go ahead. Oh yeah, everybody's like super excited about TOSHI right now. Very, very, very TOSHI right now. Julie also says, I feel like I've had less views when I ran my StreamYard last week. That's the thing. I'm using Restream, Julie, so I'm going to have to figure that out. I'm going to be figuring that out. So I don't know exactly how that's going to work. I know when I used Restream last time on YouTube, it worked out fine, but I just have to get everything like set up properly. It's just, it's a big thing. So when I figure out how to do it, I will definitely let you know. But let's go ahead and take a look at the market. Okay. So the market is responding. Daily XCN is up about 52%. A lot of people are talking about, people on the feed are like, this is a scam, blah, 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 blah. This is the thing, you guys. You are going to hear people say everything is a scam. People have called Bitcoin a scam. They've called Ripple a scam. They've called all these different things scams. And you know what? At the end of the day, it's really up for you to decide if something is a scam or not. If you've made money off of it and you like the community, whatever, that's your personal opinion, and that's good. You deserve to be able to invest in whatever you want to invest in. And that's part of crypto. That is definitely part of operating in a true decentralized economy. And a lot of people get mad about it. And that's why we saw the big battle between Ripple and the Bitcoin maxis. It is what it is. So with that being said, do what works for you. Always make a moon bag. Pengu is up 22%. Jupe bought a stake in Moonshot. If you guys don't know what Moonshot is probably the easiest centralized exchange to buy meme coins on. Again, we talk about meme coins a lot on this channel, but I'm not telling you to go ahead and buy them. I'm simply telling you to do what works for you. Meme coin trading is very hard. You basically have to live in the trenches to do well, and that's not an issue at all. But at the same time, just understand it's a lot of work. Now, taking a look on the weekly, things are not looking super great. Trump is down about 60%, which necessarily isn't a bad thing. Hex is up 19%, Lido is up, etc. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the current market. Okay, let's take a look at the current market over here. So taking a look at the weekly, well, actually, we're going to go ahead, or the daily, we're going to go ahead and do a naked chart. We're going to start with a nice naked chart over here. We're going to go to the weekly. Okay, So this is going to be the weekly chart over here, and price is looking really great. Only negative thing I will say is we had a swing wick high to about $109,000, and then we got trading at about $101,000, got a swing wick low to $99,000, and about $105,000 over here. So the only negative thing is that bulls did not push price up, but on the weekly, we do have a green dot. We have that red dot for quite some time using Market CIPHER. I've got the link down below. Using Market CIPHER is a great tool. I know that there's all these different things about it, but for me, I really appreciate the green and the red dots. It just makes my life easier. Now, when we had that red dot, we had a bit of a gnarly dip all the way down to about like $89,000. But now we've got the green dot. And again, it's a weekly, so it takes a lot longer to come to fruition. Right now, we're in a pretty tight little consolidation range between approximately $101 and about $107,000. We're kind of just going flat right now. So unless something kind of crazy happens, I expect some more consolidation in this range here. Now, taking a look at the 4-hour chart, super tight. So we're going to have some volatility occur. Me personally, I'm going to take a look at the daily. I'm just going to zoom out, and I'm really going to see a bigger range here between, a bigger range here between about 88,000 and about 109,000. Now, are we going to hit those low areas there on the daily? Not necessarily. I'm not really thinking that, but it could still happen. It definitely could still happen. But this is kind of the range that we're seeing. And right now, a lot of people are kind of disappointed with altcoins, which is fine, whatever. I get it. But at the end of the day, Now, taking a look at Ethereum is just kind of putting along. We're having trouble breaking out above this trend line, and we're going to need to do so about $3,400. And then we can talk about $3,500. So with Ethereum, there's just so much drama, especially with Vitalik and the entire community, all the bickering, and bickering doesn't really do anything for anyone. Solana is doing okay. We're kind of holding steady at about 260. As far as price action goes, I think we're just going to really, as long as we stay above 236, we'll be doing great. SUI is in a bit of a downtrend here. We were not able to break above the trend line. Instead, we're testing on about $4.02. So hopefully get a nice little rebound soon. It is looking like that, but I would really watch this area here. Now, XRP. XRP is just kind of ranging and going sideways. There's not anything negative with this price action. It's kind of doing what it's doing. I personally want to see a break above $3.22 and that continuation to go higher. I also want to take a look at Dogcoin because you guys know I love Dog and I've got the airdrop, etc. So Dog is not looking great price action wise, but that's okay. That's okay. We did break below 0044, but we are holding on to about 003. So we'll kind of see what happens. Also, one of the things that did happen over the weekend, some drama. I'm not going to do specific call outs to these people because I don't really like dragging people under the bus or talking a mess, but there has been quite a bit of Bitcoin maxis that started launching meme coins on Solana, which is really ironic because they've said terrible things about so many people in this industry for such a long period of time, but it's okay when they do it. They're doing it. So again, and that's maybe why Bitcoin ordinals and runes aren't doing super great right now. But again, we're still early and things are just kind of rocking. Also, too, make sure you guys smash the like. We got 400 people are in there. And great. Now, everybody's talking about TOSHI. Let's go ahead and see. I think I got to use my deck screener for that. Let's go pull up the deck screener. But before we do that, I do want to take a look at Link. Link is currently trading about $26. I will be adding more Link as time goes on. I think it will continue to do well. Now, Cardano, I hold Cardano. Cardano is just kind of ping-ponging its support about 95 cents over here, and hopefully we move on our way up. And Avalanche, which I do hold as well, is looking nice too. So, taking a look at Deck Screener, I think Toshi's on base, right? Toshi's on base. I had a bunch of people tell me, Wendy, get in on it. I'm like, no, that's the thing. Why would I buy something when you guys have already made a bunch of money on it? Like, it makes no sense for me. Makes no sense for me to do that any way, shape, or form. Like, I'm not your exit liquidity. A lot of people think I'm stupid in this industry, but yeah. So anyways, this is Toshi. Missed out on this a little bit, but that's okay. Congratulations to everybody who got in. It's currently at an $800 million market cap. It had a swing wick high to about $948 million. Toshi pump and dump meme. I don't know, you guys. This type of consolidation here is actually very beautiful when you see things really go sideways for a pretty long period of time and they have these wonderful pop-ups. It kind of stayed at about $148 million market cap and it just went like crazy. Now, are a lot of people going to dump and take profit? Probably. So just be a little bit advised when that happens. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take, and also in California, we got a little bit of grain, which is great. And shout out to Tar AI. We love all the different AI coins. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the stuff that people have been showing me. We talked about Toshi. Oh my God, I love him. Absolutely love him. Absolutely love him. Somebody says Vine. Rumors of this OG social media app being integrated in X. So someone launched a Vine meme coin, which great, fantastic, fine, happy for them. I didn't get in on it. But I would be really careful. Mario recently launched a token where he burnt 70% of the supply. Good for him. I will not be launching a token. I'm trying to see. Let's see. Trump. Let's see. This is XRP memes. Pongo, Phoenix, Army, Laugh. Funny. You want to know real meme coins? Long on SQUIDGROW. Shout out SQUIDGROW. We love SQUIDGROW. Litecoin and Ravencoin. I like Litecoin. And Litecoin has been actually going really hard against the Bitcoin maxis, and I love to see it. Snake. Shout out to them. Sausage Swap. There's always a lot. These are the things. The Free Ross Now coin, I don't know. They said since the free Ross has occurred, you should take a look at it. Plans moving forward to help freeing Roger Ver and Roman Storm. That's the thing is like when people launch coins for this stuff, like I actually need to see the money being given to him. 100% of the proceeds will go directly to Ross. We'll see. But again, I'd be very careful what I put my stuff in. H-bar. We love H-bar. Okay, thank you, Dino. Let's see what else. Oh, also too, Algorand has got a bunch of meme coins. They've got Monko. So if you guys are interested in checking that out, you literally can go to Deck Screener and you can click, where's Algorand? Algorand is here and you guys can check all the different meme coins that they have here. Shout out to Algorand. Love them. No VCoin or no meme coins on VeChain right now. We'll see if that ends up changing. I feel like VeChain is a little bit more serious project. Oh, they also have Bitcoin Maxi tiers, which is hilarious. And I think that's on, it's XRPL coin or XRPL meme coins. Snowden, Toshi. Trying to see. Take a look at Base Turbo IO. This is John McAfee's coin, AINTI. I think 95% of the supply is owned by one particular person. So yeah, probably not going to touch that. But shout out to Janice. I hope she makes a bag. Somebody also wanted me to, Mochi. Shout out to Mochi. Someone wanted me to look at their project. Let me go ahead and pull that up for them really quickly. They're in my DMs. I want to do that privately. So y'all can see. Okay. All right. And again, I always do like to support small businesses and I will generally give people little shout outs here and there. So this project right here, this gentleman, again, I don't know this guy at all, but he just said, hey, can you help me out? And I says, yeah, if you go ahead and comment on my tweet, I'll give you guys a shout out. So he is an NFT dev for Dead Ducks NFT. And they're giving away 25 NFTs. So if you guys are interested in that, there's only 5,000 and they're all ducks. So if you guys are interested in participating and getting a possible free NFT, take a look at that. I'm not affiliated with the project anyway, but I do like to help people. And there's kind of that. So either way, we're doing all that and whatnot. But let me check the chat really quick. Shout out to Coins Chick. She gifted one membership to Kamish. Shout out to Kamish, brand new channel member. Appreciate it. Also to you guys, make sure you take a look at Silent Swap, because if you're trading base meme tokens like Toshi, you want to be able to trade silently and privately. And that's a good thing. And it's a good thing is because you're able to use private transactions and we're cross chain. So we have a bunch of different chains available. Here is the site over here. If you want to get 10% off fees, you can go ahead and do so using my link. I don't make any money off of it because I work for the team. But we got Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom, Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, etc. And you can actually send to different wallets as well. Again, if you want to use any of my ref links down below that help support me in the channel, we've got crypto.com. We have FEMX for non-US users, and we've got Silent Swap. So anyways, that's the show for today. I got to get started with my getting all my stuff integrated. But as far as Bitcoin goes, I anticipate for us to continue to go sideways. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch with you later. Bye-bye. Oh, and remember, meme coins and NFTs are not deemed collectibles or meme collectibles yet, but they could possibly be. Goodbye.